Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and these are the Buffalo David Bitton Women's High Rise Soft Straight Ankle Skinny Jeans Havana. I really like this pair of jeans since they are like so versatile. I can be really casual with them. The fabric is super soft. They're great for whenever I want to go out, just shopping, or just want to go to a mall, or want to go out to the movies. But sometimes I can just want to put on high heels or a printed shirt, and they're just great with it. I can, switch it up, and they will be looking great. That's why I love them because I can. They're so versatile. They just go with it. I feel like this is a pair of jeans that I can take into a vacation and I just can have different type of shirts and they will, I can match it with them. And also the fabric is super stretchy but durable. I have already washed it several times and the color hasn't washed off. And that's my point of view.